Hey guys, welcome back to Growing Up Fun. The last time we uploaded was a while ago. Hope you all enjoyed Dark Attack 2, Hurricane Returns. Today I am here to do a Fimo tutorial with my friend Arthur. He played as Glitch and Superman in the Dark Attack movies. First thing you're going to need is a piece of Fimo!
Second thing you're gonna need is a Fimo knife.
Or any knife or fork, really. Don't. Third thing you're going to need is a rolling pin.
Or you can just use your hands. Fourth thing you're gonna need is a headless Lego guy. With hands.
Fifth thing you're going to need is a cookie sheet. Really, just a tray. It's me.
Sixth thing you're gonna need is a pretty big piece of cookie sheet.
Parchment paper.
Step
one. Come with us. Oven required up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2.
Soften your Fimo. So this is pretty hard, and a way to soften it is you can just squish it so there's no cracks. Or you could just do this.
Or you can rolling pin. What you need to do is choose what you're going to make. We're teaching you how to make Lego heads. That's what Arthur here is doing.
Pointing out, I'm making a booger.
Lego accessories, like me. I'm either going to make a shield or maybe a sword. What you would like to do is take your lump of clay, roll it into ball. Put the ball on paper. Squish the ball. Take the disc off of your hand. Shove the disc into Lego guy's hand.
This is gonna be a booger. Whoa.
This is Arthur dramatically taking hair off of his green ball of Fimo.
There's my booger head. Then you stick the head onto the little plot. Wait, I want to see if you can stand.
Begin! Put the tray under the parchment, or if you think you know how big the tray is, just cut. Then put the parchment on the tray.
And then stick your Fimo character or accessory on the tray.
Without the Lego guy. Remember,
Okay.
that will melt the Lego guy. So, does they know if you're making an accessory that is two-handed, it always should look like this. And you should have a bar in the middle that looks like this.
If you're making a head and make a head hole, you should have a hollow thing. Then just plop it down.
Step 78. Follow us. Take your tray with your Fimo to your 180 degree warmed up oven. We recommend getting an adult to put this in the oven.
Thanks.
Set your timer for 30 minutes. Then wait. Uh, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10,
90, 80,
70, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get an adult to take it out and let it cool down.
It sounds like someone just sweared.
Or someone just yelled,
Now
you have to let your Fimo cool. In case you're wondering, like, why stuff might look different, why it looks like we're wearing different clothes, like 2 weeks has gone by since we recorded the last clip. You know, like we didn't have enough time to record this clip 2 weeks ago because Arthur had to go home. Just wanted you to know that. And insert your Fimo. Like what Arthur is about to show you. His shield is so heavy, it has to touch the ground. Hope you enjoyed the Fimo. Make sure to subscribe to both of our channels. I'm Growing Up Fun. This is Arthur in the City. See you later. Bye. So, everything that you have just watched was filmed in summer of 2022. It is now spring of 2023. It took that long because my dad forgot to edit. Hope you enjoyed the video. There's a link to Arthur's channel in the description.